In today's fast-paced world, we often overlook how specific nutrients impact parts of our body, especially our legs, which carry us every day. Most people focus on overall health or weight loss without paying attention to leg health, which is vital for mobility, independence, and quality of life. Whether it's cramping, poor circulation, muscle weakness, or joint pain, leg problems are becoming increasingly common. Why? Because modern diets are often lacking in key nutrients that support leg strength, blood flow, and tissue repair. This essay explores a serious problem: the neglect of essential foods that promote healthy, strong legs. We will explore the root causes, the effects of deficiency, and practical steps to address the issue, focusing on three underappreciated yet powerful foods. Conjunction, bridging to core discussion. And yet, despite growing awareness of nutrition, many people still miss out on critical foods that could transform their leg health. Why do we ignore them? Lack of education, misinformation, and busy lifestyles are all part of the answer. Now, let us explore the specific nutrients and the three essential foods your legs desperately need. Explanation 1. The problem of magnesium deficiency and the power of pumpkin seeds. One of the most overlooked causes of leg pain and cramps is magnesium deficiency. Magnesium plays a vital role in muscle function, including relaxation and contraction. Without it, the muscles in our legs can tighten involuntarily, causing painful cramps and fatigue. Pumpkin seeds are an excellent natural source of magnesium. Just a handful a day can restore magnesium balance, improve muscle performance, and reduce nighttime leg cramps. Moreover, they're easy to add to salads, smoothies, or oatmeal, making them a convenient solution to a common problem. Explanation 2. Poor circulation and the benefits of beets. Another major issue affecting leg health is poor blood circulation, especially in older adults or people with sedentary lifestyles. Blood carries oxygen and nutrients to the muscles and joints. When circulation is weak, it leads to numbness, swelling, and even dangerous blood clots. Enter beets, a vibrant root vegetable packed with nitrates, which convert into nitric oxide in the body, a compound known to dilate blood vessels and enhance blood flow. Regular consumption of beet juice or roasted beets can drastically improve leg circulation, helping reduce swelling, fatigue, and the risk of varicose veins. Explanation 3. Joint and bone weakness versus the power of sardines. Joint pain and bone weakness often plague individuals with poor leg strength. This is especially true in postmenopausal women and older adults. These problems are largely due to calcium, vitamin D, and omega-3 deficiencies. Sardines are a powerhouse of all three nutrients. Unlike larger fish, sardines are low in mercury and contain soft, edible bones loaded with calcium. They also provide vitamin D and anti-inflammatory omega-3 fatty acids, which support bone density and reduce joint pain. Including sardines in your diet just twice a week can significantly enhance leg joint strength and prevent deterioration. Finding an argument. Some may argue that supplements can easily replace food sources for leg health. However, while supplements can help in severe deficiency cases, they often lack the synergistic effect of whole foods. For example, pumpkin seeds not only contain magnesium but also zinc and antioxidants, which work together to support muscle recovery and immunity. Whole foods offer a complete nutritional profile that cannot be easily replicated in pill form. Finding an example to prove. Consider the case of Anna, a 58-year-old woman who suffered from constant leg cramps and joint stiffness. After consulting a nutritionist, she began incorporating a handful of pumpkin seeds daily, beet juice every morning, and grilled sardines twice a week. Within 3 months, her symptoms drastically improved. Her cramps disappeared, her energy increased, and she could enjoy long walks again without pain. This is not just anecdotal evidence. It's a reflection of what current nutritional science supports. Second introduction, reframing the importance. Now that we've explored the science and the stories, it's time to reflect more deeply. Why do we ignore these foods? Why do we wait until leg pain becomes debilitating before we act? The answer lies in our tendency to treat symptoms rather than prevent disease. But change is possible, and it starts with awareness. By understanding the unique benefits of pumpkin seeds, beets, and sardines, we empower ourselves to take control of leg health in a sustainable, natural way. Conclusion. Evaluation of the topic. The importance of leg health cannot be overstated. Our legs are the foundation of our movement and independence. And when they suffer, so does our quality of life. The issue isn't just about age or genetics. It's about daily nutrition choices. This essay has shown that 3 simple foods, pumpkin seeds, beets, and sardines, can dramatically improve muscle function, circulation, and joint health. Personal opinion. In my view, leg health deserves far more attention than it currently receives. We invest in gym memberships, expensive shoes, and pain-relieving creams, yet overlook the basic building blocks of muscle and joint health found in our diet. Incorporating nutrient-dense, leg-friendly foods is not just a health strategy. It's an act of self-respect and long-term wellness. Suggestions. Daily snack swap. Replace chips or sugary snacks with a small handful of pumpkin seeds for magnesium and muscle support. Morning boost. Drink fresh beet juice or add cooked beets to salads at least 3 times a week to enhance circulation. Protein upgrade. Substitute red meat with sardines twice a week to boost bone strength and joint flexibility. Educational campaigns. Healthcare providers should educate patients on the food-leg health connection, especially aging populations. Start early. Don't wait for leg issues to emerge. Prevention through nutrition should start in your 30s, not your 60s. Final words. Your legs are speaking to you through cramps, swelling, stiffness, or fatigue. It's time to listen. Stop ignoring these 3 foods. Your legs are begging for them, and your future self will thank you for every beet, seed, and sardine.